and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and it's a quick one from me today for this unboxing, partly because it's half past 10 at night, the night before, and also because something I did want to unbox hasn't yet arrived. It's on its way. It's currently bouncing around the States. Yeah, the tracking is going here, there and everywhere, but hopefully it'll be here for next week because I'm quite excited about that one. But I have had this for a little while. This is something that Megan picked up on one of her trips to B&M. So this is just to show you something that is available in some UK stores. So we have started to see diamond dots in Hobbycraft. We have started to see some crystal creations in the range. They do have a bigger range in the range, but there is also some in B&M as well. I have heard that there is some showing up in a Lidl, but I think that is only in Northern Ireland, so not quite hit the UK yet. But it's getting there. I am hearing of more places that you can sort of walk in and look and pick up. I can't wait for my next trip to Australia because I have heard that Kaiser now have some diamond art as well. I think they may call it more crystal art. I'm not sure, but whichever way it's named, I like the fact that when I go to visit Kaiser, which I like to visit anyway, I can potentially pick up some diamond paintings whenever I get there, whenever that may be. But yeah, the main point of this video is to show you sort of an example of what you can get from B&M. So this one was £5. It is, as I say, very similar to ones I've seen from the range. Great if you do have young children maybe that want to give it a go. Of course, great for us if we like the picture as well, but it is a partial. It does come with the thick cover, which is taped as well, which is why it's sort of not allowing me to pull it back too far. It does have tape on either side, but it does come on a piece of, it's actually a piece of card that it comes on. In fact, the tape goes all the way up the back. I am going to pass this on to somebody, you see, probably once I've shown you guys. Oh, so it does come on a piece of card, but it is also, it will stand up, so it does have a piece of card. So once it's been done, it can be displayed. It is a partial, it is round, and it doesn't come with DMC numbers. But if you do have a special little friend who likes to visit, maybe a grandchild, maybe a niece, maybe a nephew, maybe your own children that like to stick their nose into your stuff, you could potentially get them one of their own for only a £5. It comes with 12 colours. It does have very simple symbols. So it's 1, 2, 9, and then we've got A, E and K, and they are very clear. They do use white on black as well as black on the lighter colours. E, potentially this dark colour here could have been maybe done in a white, but you can still read it. It's still clear to read. I'm just thinking of little eyes is what I'm thinking of. But the image is sweet. It's varied enough, but not too varied that they'd struggle. In the actual pack to the side, oh, we've got little sticky dot things again. Let me get that one off and hopefully it'll open all the way up. Will it? Won't it? I think I need to peel them both off because of the depth of it. But they come in individual packets. But what's also nice about this for the younger ones is it comes with the tray. Well, ish. It doesn't come with a tray like we have to shake with the grid lines. It doesn't come with one of those. But you can put each individual packet, which comes numbered. So that's number 1. And then the white does have the letter K on it. You can tip each of these into it, and it does have the numbers 1 to 12 embossed, which then when you get to 12 it shows that it equals K. So you can just open these up and tip them into there, and while they won't all line up as nice as they do in a diamond painting tray, they should line up nice enough for a little one to be able to give it a go. It looks as though there's plenty of diamonds for the sections that you've got. You get a little pen. It is just one of your standard pink pens, but in blue, with a nice little flower and crystal on the end. And then you do get a little piece of wax as well. And then your wax even has a little holder. So this could be kept as something, you know, quite contained for when they want to give it a go and do a little bit. They can actually go according to the picture if they want, because they can lay out all the diamonds at once. And when they're done for the day, or for the 5 minutes, depending on their attention span, you can just sort of close it back up. I wouldn't necessarily tip it upside down once they've been opened, but you could close it like that. It does come with full instructions on the back, and it does actually say to sort of tip it into the little well, check what number, fill up your wax, pick up your diamond, peel it back and place it in the spot. And then it does have a back stand, as I say, to be able to display it. It does have a price of $12.99 on the back, but this one was purchased from B&M for the grand sum of £5, which for entertainment, to keep a child quiet even for 5 minutes, is probably worth it. But maybe a bit longer, and they're quite cute pictures, so if you do like to do something a little bit quick, I thought they were pretty good. So I thought I'd show you that and what's available. This is by Crystal Creation. It's Crystal Creations by Hinkler. It's down as apparently it's Hinkler Books Limited. So it's printed and manufactured in China, but a lot of our diamond paintings are. But very nice little project, and I'm sure it will sit on the shelf very nicely until I have a little visitor or somebody that I can pass it on to for them to give it a go. So quick one from me. Hopefully it'll be something a little bit different next week, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.